How are you guys? So as usual, today the Blueprint Universe has brought you a new video. As usual, before going to the video, I remind you that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for all notifications. As in other days, today I have brought a valuable video that is important to you under the topic of traveling. So, why we take more time? Let us go to see what you can learn from today's video. Usually, a tourist needs to know the details of the places to visit. I think the video will be very important today for tourists who often travel around the world. A tourist must visit adventure places in his lifetime. Today, I brought to you from the video about dangerous, serious, wild destinations. So, today I will tell you about 10 such places. So stay tuned until the end of the video to find out of all about those 10 places. Number 1. The Giant's Causeway. It was voted as the fourth greatest natural wonder in the United Kingdom. The Giant Causeway has about 40,000 interlocking columns made from basalt. The columns have a unique hexagonal shape. If you are a person that loves to watch seabirds, this is a great place to visit. In addition, some rare plants that thrive in the region can't be found anywhere else on the planet. Number 2. Thor's Well Origin. Thor's Well is a large natural hole located in a rockbed along Cape Perpetua in a Slough National Forest. It is thought that Thor's Well was originally a cave that had the roof collapse in due to constant water erosion. There are numerous mussels lining the internal walls of the wall can be seen. Thor's Well is most attractive during high tide and storms around winter. Thor's Well can be very dangerous when it is high tide. Number 3. Badab Desert, Iran. There are only 6 natural attractions similar to Badab Desert all around the world. This site is even more unique due to its colorful nature. The Wonderland of Iran has an infinite number of offers for travel lovers. The best time to visit Badab Desert would be around April and May. The specialty is there are a handful of similar places on Earth. Number 4. Tianzi Mountains. Tianzi means son of the heaven and derives earth from legend of Xian Dakun. Legend says pillars arose from the Xiang writing brushes. The unique stone pillars too are not actually mountains. Tianzi's pillars are made of quartzite sandstone. Sediment build-up makes it possible for pine trees to grow on the formations. 300 million years ago, the area was an ocean. Number 5. Plain of Jars. The Plain of Jars is a megalithical archaeological landscape in Laos. It consists of thousands of stone jars. The jars are arranged in clusters ranging in number from 1 to several hundred. So I think a tourist should visit this place at least one time in their life. Number 6. Goblin Valley State Park. This is one of the Utah's most popular state parks. There are 3 marked hiking trails in Goblin Valley State Park. Goblin Valley State Park presents a fun and unique experience for those who wish to explore on foot. Seriously, this is one of the coolest places to visit in southern Utah. Visitors can wander off trail to explore the geology. Number 7. Glass Beach, California. Glass found in the sandy deposits of the southern coast. There is an old myth that every time a sailor was lost at sea, mermaids would cry and their tears would wash onto the shores as sea glass. The Sea Glass Beach probably the best and most unique place in the world. The entire beach is made up of sea glass instead of sand. The problem is, while you can look and touch, collecting is strongly discouraged. Number 8. Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA. The Fly Geyser is not a natural formation. The geyser was created accidentally in 1964. This is also known as Fly Ranch Geyser and Green Geyser. This geyser has not created a cone as large as the first. The different colors of fly geyser result from different minerals deposits. Number 9. Red Beach, Banjin, China. Very cool and very wide. This beach is covered in a type of seaweed called suida. This turns bright red in autumn. Only a small section of the beach is open to public. These trail wetlands are an important nature reserve for migrating birds. Number 10. The Catacombs of Paris. The Paris catacombs are even more interesting. In every year, thousands of tourists visit this great place. The catacombs house the remains of over 6 million Parisians from the 18th century. People have gone swimming in the catacombs. The catacombs were used during World War II. So this is how the video ends today. I think you were able to get something out of this video. I hope to make more important videos like this in the future and keep up the good content. Stay safe all. See you soon in next important video.